Hi there mga Vilapit ko soulmates! Welcome to Renzo Tara Channel. Nandito naman po yung lingkod para bigyan kayo isang soulful and meaningful na tarot reading. Dito lamang po sa inyo lagi nabangan at sinusubaybay ng Renzo Tara Channel. Ang ating pong reading ngayon na pagsasamahan ay para sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Gemini. Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. Kamusta po kayong lahat? I hope you're doing great. You're safe and of course you're healthy and happy. Alright, so kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at nagustuhan niyo po ang ating reading ngayon, huwag po kayo mahiyang mag-subscribe kapag di pa kayo nakasubscribe, like, comment, and share. And if you're watching this video sa ating TikTok account, paki-follow na rin po. Then if you want to avail a private reading, dito lang po sa account na to, sa video na to, kayo mag-message. Alright, may mga nanggagaya po dyan ng ating account, nag-re-upload ng videos. Para malaman niyo po kung alin yung legit, i-check niyo po yung dami ng followers. Alright, so hindi po ako yung unang mag-message sa inyo. Kayo po ang dapat mag-message sa akin para pag-usapan po natin how are you going to avail this slot for private reading. Okay? So, sige. Kunin na natin ang iyong 10 baraha Gemini. Huwag natin patagalin pa ito. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael. Give me 10 cards please for Gemini. Alright, 1, 2, 3, Saint Michael, 7 more cards please for Gemini. 4, 5, Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael. Last 5 cards please for Gemini. 6, 7, 8. Last 2 cards Saint Michael for Gemini. 9, 10. Alright, sige. Thank you so much Saint Michael for the 10 cards para sa ating mga mahal na Gemini. Using ko lang to and we're not going to start because I know that you're so excited. Alright? Ooh, lala. Okay, alam niyo yan, I'm very honest with my readings to you. So, although this is devil card, so hindi pa naman nakikita natin, nakataob pa yung 9 cards, pwede pa naman bawiin ng mga positibo yan. But this is just a sign, or this is a signal or a warning for you to, of course, to be extra careful, Gemini, sa mga decisyong gagawin, sa everyday life na ginagawa mo, sa travel or whatever, sa mga business kung lahat, transactions, sa trust na binibigay niyo sa mga tao because, you know, this is a signal, o kung kahit pa paano babala sa inyo. Hindi ito nakakatakot. The devil card is nagpapakita para bigyan kayo ng babala, para, you know, not to trust easily with people, with the situation, baka matrap kayo, baka mabiktima kayo, ma-scam kayo, ganyan, misinformation, kung ano man sa Gemini. So, in the upcoming days and weeks ahead, maging matalino, alamin mo na ang lahat, mag-background check, so wag basta-basta magpadala sa tamis ng salita. Baka, you know, there are people na mag-offer sa'yo ng ganito, so with the devil card. So, this is signal or a warning for you to be extra careful or cautious, right? Lalong-lalo na pag pera pinag-usapan. Alright, I know, because the 6 of Pentacles here, you're doing your best to find way, Gemini, para gumawa ng paraan para masolusyonan ang problema mo sa pera kasi may mga umaasa sa'yo, mga anak mo, mga magulang mo, and you really want stability in terms of money. Gusto mo makaipon, gumawa ng sideline, ng business hustle para at least to improve your money here. That's why hindi natin masisisi kung medyo maghahanap ka ng paraan. Baka mamaya, sabi ko, with the devil card here, doble ingat lang. Baka may scam kayo, takbuhan kayo ng pera, utangan kayo, right? So, be extra careful pag perang pinag-usapan dito, Gemini, because makasunod sila ng devil card. So, it means yun, isa din yun sa warning na parang naisip parating ng universe sa'yo to be extra careful, especially money-wise. Because I know, you're in a desperate mode. Medyo desperado ka dito sa paghanap ng pera, sa kung paano mo gagawa ng paraan or solusyon yung problem in terms of money. But it takes also knowledge or kumbaga wisdom para alamin muna yung pag-isipan mabuti yung mga desisyon na gagawin. Okay, with the Queen of Swords, yes. Okay, do not be afraid. Okay, although may signal tayo doon, may warning tayo na devil card, but do not be afraid because I know Gemini, you're ruled by Mercury, you're very smart. Matalino ka, malakas ang intuition. So, kaso nga lang sabi ko kayong mga Gemini at mga, you know, Mercury ruled ay prone kayo sa scam. Scam kaya kasi ito devil card dito sabi ko hindi yan lalabas without for any reason. So with the Queen of Swords, yes, take an action, gawa ng paraan, kumilos, solusyonan, kung anong nasa isip mo, kung ano nasa puso mo, gawin mo yan. But, sabi ko nga, samahan mo ng extra caution or pag-iingat with the devil card. Yes, I know, Gemini, may mga gusto kang simulan, may mga gusto kang gawin na talagang for a long time ipinaghandaan mo or talagang feeling mo. Alright, so walang makakapigil sa'yo dito with the Queen of Swords here. Yes, okay, I know you can do it. Kayang-kaya yan, but may but tayo lagi. So with the devil card, samahan pa rin ang pag-iingat. Okay, but tuloy-tuloy na to. I know there are Gemini na you're going to enter a new milestone or journey na pinag-handle mo to for a long time and now you are ready to do it. Okay? Pero sasamahan lang ng pag-iingat. Magiging maganda yung resulta nito, ha? With the Nine of Cups. This is good news, stability. Sabihin, magiging maganda yung bunga nitong bagay na sisimulan mo or gagawin mo. Maring lumipat ka man ng trabaho, mag-open ka ng business, lumipat ka ng lugar na titirahan or whatever, may bibilihin ka, may property, something you're going to invest, mag-aaral ka muli, or something you're going to apply, may mga application, magpapapromote. It's a big yes with the Nine of Cups here. Alright, so yes, although sabi ko may devil's up, but this is manageable. Basta, alam kong hindi ka naman makakalimot na maging sabilin ko dito because you're very smart. Hindi mawawala sa isip na, oh, the devil card is there. But wala makakapigil sa'yo. This is also a warning, a signal na kung ano man ito ginagawa mo ngayon, kung ano man mga plano mo, just need to be discreet. Kailangan mong tahimik, huwag masyadong i-expose ito sa madlang people kasi devil, evil eye. Baka mamaya mapurnada. I call the term purnada, or what is this? Evil eye, hindi siya matuloy. Imbes na tuloy-tuloy na sana. But expect, okay, stability here, good news that is coming for you. High Priestess. I can see your Gemini, may mga Gemini na your creativity will be rewarded. Gemini, aside from being smart, you're a very creative person. Siguro if you're working in a creative space, social media, nag-ano ka din, nag-vlog, content creator, whatsoever. So, expect growth, expect success with that thing. Maybe lately, siguro hindi mo nakita yung progress sa una, parang feeling mo, you're going to give up on that thing kasi feeling mo hindi ka dyan. But believe me, just being creative alone, magbubunga ang lahat na yan. Hindi naman automatic pag nag-start ka ng ganitong bagay, makikita mo agad yung progress, right? So, the good thing here is sinimulan mo. Or, ang pinaka-important dito ay you need to be consistent. Consistency every day. Even though hindi mo pa nakikita yung bunga nito, but you just need to show up and do your best. Believe me, with the High Priestess card here, Gemini, magbubunga ang lahat. Magiging maganda. It will be very successful because that is creativity. Ikaw lang ang meron niya. That is unique to you. Yes, lang magiging maganda ang kakahinat na nandito with the Nine of Cups. We have 5 more cards here in the second row, Gemini. Before we proceed, ulitin ko, please do subscribe. And thank you so much sa mga bagong subscribers. Nababasa ko sa mga comments. Thank you po. I hope regular na po kayo sa atin. Paki-like, comment, and share na rin. If you're watching this sa ating TikTok account, paki-follow na rin po ng TikTok account po natin. And yes, if you want to avail private reading, mag-send lang po ka ng message dito po sa account na to. Walang ibang mag-message sa inyo, hindi po ako yan. Doble ingat po kayo, scammer po yan. Alright? So, Gemini, let's continue your reading with the 8 of Cups. Devil, ang katapat, 8 of Cups. Huwag ka magpa-distract sa feeling mo kasi na-overwhelm ka, ang daming mga ideas na ino-offer sa'yo, daming lumalapit, ang daming nagsasuggest, ang daming ganito. That's why you're a little bit magulo ang isipan. Unfocused, or you're not unfocused dito. So, huwag kang magpaninlang with the devil card dito. You just need to focus on what your heart and mind really desires. Simulat sa pool kung ano yung talagang pinanindigan mo na gusto mong gawin, yun ang panindigan mo. Although, sinabi ko nga, hindi man mo pa nakikita ang lahat ng progress, but you need to be consistent. Kasi baka mamaya mag-give up ka, ma-distract ka, may mag-advise na ganito, oh, tingnan mo yan, mag-apply ka dito, kunin mo to, subukan mo to. No. Because with the devil card, that is a distraction for you. You are on the right path. Tama ang path na tinatahak mo dito, Gemini. Just a matter of consistency. Alright, later on, it will make sense. You will realize na, buti na lang. Hindi ako nag-give up. Buti na lang tinuloy ko ito. Alright? So, pang 7, Page of Cups. Harvest season. Sabi ko sa'yo, at the end, if you stay on the lane, kapag naging consistent ka, ito yung magiging bunga. Harvest season. Look at the cup, may lamang fish. Ibig sabihin, you will be rewarded. Okay, lahat ng hirap, lahat ng pinagdaanan mo, may bungang parating dito. And it will be successful. It will be happiness. It will be contentment that you've been looking for a long time. It can be appreciation, reward, recognition for all the efforts na ibinuhos mo, for all these sleepless nights, sa lahat ng mga betrayals, pagtatraidor ng mga taong you thought they are true to you. But that's life. We need to move forward, Gemini. Importante dito, kailangan mo magstay, kailangan mo magpatuloy. Do not be deceived with the devil card here. Huwag kang magpapekto. Baka mamaya, gumive up ka. Nag-antay sa'yo ang magandang kinabukasan with the Page of Cups here. Wow. Pangwalo, Seven of Cups. Ulitin ko, napakalinaw ng baraha. Kung medyo naguguluhan ka ngayon, sabi ko, naguguluhan ka, yan o, nililin lang ka talaga eh. Alright, ang daming mga chumuchucho, ang daming ganito, ano ba, sinasayang mo yung oras mo, Gemini, subukan mo to, gawin mo to, hindi ka magsasucceed dyan. Ang daming temptations with the devil card. Believe me, gulong-gulo yung isipan mo with the current situation. But Gemini, you need to move forward. You need to take action. You need to do what your heart desires. Sabi ko, sundin mo kung ano ang gusto mo, kung anong nasa puso't isipan mo. Because that will yield you success. Yes, ginugulo lang isipan mo nito, mga distraction. Tumatao yan, padala yan ng kalaban, to tell you honestly, para iligaw ka. Because they know that you have a very big potential to grow. Gemini, aside from being intelligent, matalino, you're very creative, skillful. May mga talent ka. That's why, dinidistract ka. Kasi inggit sila with the devil card here. Okay, sabi ko nga, with the Queen of Swords, focus, be consistent, panindigan mo yan. Okay, tuloy-tuloy na yan. Hindi ka maliligaw. Alright? So, 9 cards mo dito, 5 of Pentacles. Gemini, kontrolin mo yung pagiging maluho mo. Parang puro palabas yung pera lately dito with the 5 of Pentacles. Nakikita ko na saan you're doing your best to save, nagtiipon ka, pero bakit hindi mo naman control itong mga gastos nito? Or, this is the best time to focus or to take serious matter about your finances. Hindi araw-araw Pasko, Gemini. I know you're very good, you're very creative, madiskarte, but hindi lahat ay aayon sa buhay natin araw-araw yung swerte, lalo na kapag pera ang pinag-usapan dito, right? Just do your best to control everything, to manage your finances, kasi medyo puro palabas, puro gastos, puro luho. Gemini, nakikita natin dito. 10th and last card. With this very beautiful reading mo, 2 of Cups. Expect opportunity. May lalapit sa'yo, may taong mag-offer sa'yo ng tulong. Opportunity, help for you to recover, for you to grow. But ay ka nakikita ko dito with the High Priestess card, sabi ko sa'yo, yung creativity mo na yan, yung trabaho mo na yan, yung craft mo na yan na ginagawa na minamaster mo ngayon, ano man yan, singing man yan, vlogging, dancing, arts, or whatever, communication. Although sabi ko hindi pa nakikita yung result, but believe me, may mga taong lalapit sa'yo, makaka-appreciate yan at bibigyan ka ng chance para i-develop yan and para talagang lumago ka or to help you, para matulungan ka ng talent mo na yan na ma-monetize. Talaga mabibigyan ka ng chance. May makaka-discover sa dito. Alright, Gemini, this is a very beautiful reading. I hope and I pray na marami nasa sign ng Gemini dito. Ulitin ko, all of the 9 cards are very hopeful, very positive. You need to be consistent. Huwag ka magpapapekto, tuloy-tuloy lang. Andun lang yung devil card, distraction lang yun. Hindi nakakatakot, but mga distraction lang yun sa'yo, Gemini, para iligaw ka. But all in all, I'm wishing you all the best in life. Thank you so much, Gemini, kung soulmate sa inyong muling pagsama, sa inyong lingkod, sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, suporta, pagmamahal, panonood lagi. Hanggang susunod nating pagkikita, mag-iingat kayo lagi. God bless us all.